Part 7, Converting Verbal to Algebraic Statement. So very first we will see what is an algebraic statement. So algebraic statement is nothing but it is an algebraic expression. It is the combination of two or more variables, or the combination of variable and constant, or the combination of variable, constant and operators. That is said to be the algebraic expressions. For example, 8 plus x. Here 8 is the constant and plus is the operations and x is the variables. So in this example, we are having the combination of constant, variable and operations all together. So this is called as the algebraic expression or algebraic statement. So next we are going to see about the verbal statement. So what is a verbal statement? I have to write the algebraic expressions in terms of words. For example, 8 plus x can be written as 8 more than a number x, or otherwise it can be written as sum of 8 and x. So if I write the algebraic expression in terms of words, then it is said to be the verbal statement. So next one is converting verbal statement to algebraic statement. So if I want to convert the verbal statement to algebraic statement, first I have to understand what is the name given for the operators in verbal statement. So some terms we will see here. For example, if there is the word add, sum or increased by, more than, then you have to use the operator plus. So if you see the word as subtract, difference, decreased by, less than, then you have to use the word subtract, operator subtractions. If you see the word multiply, product, of, twice, thrice, then you have to use the operator multiplication. If you see the word divide, quotient, per, split into, then you have to use the operator divisions. So there is one important note is there. If you see the word as less than, then the expression, that the verbal expression can be written in the reverse format in algebraic expressions. So how can you reverse the expression? For example, if 6 less than x, here 6 is written in the first in verbal statement. Whenever you write in the algebraic statement, it can be written as x minus 6. So when you reverse this order, whenever you see the word less than, then you have to reverse the order. Next one is an example of converting verbal statement to algebraic statement. So first one is an x is increased by 21. So whenever you see the word increased, then you have to use the operator plus. So x plus 21. Next, 7 is taken away from a. So you are taking 7 from some variable a. That means you have to write it as a minus 7. Next one is twice p. So twice p means 2 times p. So that is 2 is multiplied with p. So that can be written as 2p. Then 10 divided by m. So 10 is divided by m. So here you have to use the operator division. The product of 7 and y is divided by 2. So product of 7 and y, product means multiplication. That is, you have to multiply 7 and y. That is 7y is divided by 2. That is, you have to use the operator division. So 7y divided by 2. Next one is converting algebraic statement to verbal statement. So here algebraic statement is given. For that algebraic statement you have to write the verbal statement. So first one is m plus 4. That can be written as 14 more than m, or otherwise you can write a sum of m and 14. Or as m is increased by 14. So anyway you can write. Then second one is x minus 6. That can be written as x is reduced by 6, or 6 is less than x. So anyway you can write the verbal statement. Next one is 3y. That can be written as product of 3 and y. Then 5 divided by z, that can be written as 5 divided by z. Then 2p minus 5, that is, first you have to write 5. 5 less 2. 2 times P, that is 2 is multiplied with P. So 2 times P or twice P. Anyway, you can write the verbal statement.